Agricultural development refers to efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. Most of the countries in the world are making sincere efforts regarding this, and this can be achieved through: number one is increasing land under cultivation. Number two, multiple cropping, means growing more than one crop in a year. Number three, improving irrigation facilities. Number four, use of organic and chemical fertilizers. Next is using high yielding variety of seeds. Dear students, we will study about agricultural farms in India and USA to understand the development of agriculture in a developing and a developed country. Developing countries like India with large populations usually practice intensive agriculture, where crops are grown on small holdings. Larger holdings are more suitable for commercial agriculture, as in the USA, Canada, and Australia. A farm in India. About 1% of our population lives in villages and depends directly or indirectly on agriculture. Agriculture provides food for human beings and raw material for agro-based industries. The main features of agriculture here are: number one, subsistence agriculture is mostly practiced. The farmer's family consumes almost the entire produce with little or no surplus to sell in the market. Number two, land holdings are small due to the inheritance law. The land which belongs to the father is divided among his sons and daughters. This leads to small and uneconomic land holdings. Next feature, agriculture is mainly dependent on monsoon rain, which is uncertain and irregular. Most of the farm work, such as plowing, irrigation, harvesting, and threshing, are done by animals and members of the farmer's family. The production of food crop is the top priority, and the area under fodder crop is almost very small. The farmers face many problems. Some of them are just like he cannot buy enough agricultural inputs due to fund shortage. He has to borrow money from a money lender or a bank. Next is he has to sell his produce immediately after harvest due to shortage of proper storage facilities. Next, he has to depend upon various cooperative societies to meet his needs. However, the Green Revolution has changed agriculture in many ways, just like by introducing HYV seeds, that is high yielding varieties of seeds, and timely availability of water through irrigation. no overuse of fertilizers, by introducing farmer friendly machinery, and farmers are given training and advice by government agricultural officers, and agricultural universities were set up to train the farmers. This helps not only to enhance production but also to improve the general social and economic conditions of farmers and their families. So, this was all about a farm in India. Now, we will read about a farm in the USA. USA is blessed with vast fertile plains. This region has a natural environment which favors the cultivation of a number of crops such as wheat, maize, barley, oats, and oilseed.